Hey everybody, welcome to Cool Cat's Garage. I appreciate everybody stopping by. I want to share with you something. Olsatools, they reached out to me and they sent me a couple items and I just want to share them with you. So let's get into it. This is Olsatools in Canada. This is their metric, 15-piece metric combination wrench set. It goes from 8 to 22. And I will show you. Here they are in a really nice foam tray, which seems like the industry is headed that way, and it's pretty nice. Let's talk about these tools. So here's the 22. Feels good in my hand. 12 point, you know. See how long it is. It is 12. No, about 11. About 11 and a half, more or less, 11 and a half. But I can't wait to try them. They are super nice, and they feel really good. They have a 15 degree offset here. They are chrome vanadium. They are made in Taiwan, but a little bit of back history on Olsa. They were started in 2015 by a guy named Charles Merwa, and he's a car guy, a big car guy, and he likes to work on his own stuff. And the company started because his toolbox is a mess, and there was nothing that he could find that would either fit or encompass what he had. So that's how Olsa was born. They made their first magnetic tray holder for bits and tools and things. That's pretty cool. Like I said, they are based up in Canada. They are a super friendly, super easygoing company. These tools have a 30-day money-back guarantee. They have a limited lifetime warranty, but they also have 100% customer satisfaction. You're not happy, they're not happy, and they will make you happy. So, thanks for letting me share those. The next thing they sent me, which I desperately needed, was this toolbox liner. And what's cool about it is it's 16 inches wide, but it's 16 feet long, and it's 3 mils thick. And I haven't opened it yet, but it feels really good. And I don't think anything's going to move around, because that's my problem is the liners I have, you shut the drawer, open it back up, it's a mess. So these are really nice. Like I said, you can get all this stuff on Olsa's website, or you can go to Amazon or eBay. I'm sure they're everywhere. The cool thing about going to Olsa is, though, you can sign up for their email, and you can get 10% off. And with every 10% off, and every dollar you spend, you get $1, or with every purchase rather, you get $1 in an account set up for you. You know, the more you buy, the more they give, the more you save. So I do appreciate everybody stopping by and taking a look at my channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend. Thanks a lot. Take care. Cool Cat.